Ja sam bio oduševljen zato što ja ne znam ni jedan festival na svijetu koji je takav kao ovaj, a pogotovo kad se onda zna kakva je situacija u našoj regiji. I onda znači ima u ovoj našoj regiji takav jedan festival. Ja mislim da možda čak i publika sebi nije svjesna kakvo je to bogatstvo i kakva je to važnost. I što se meni dopada na ovim festivalu, da jeste da se radi o temi invaliditeta, ali je po temama jako otvoren. Znači, i to čime se ja isto bavim ili gdje se angažujem, ne samo za osobe sa invaliditetom, već jedan dio moje osobe je i da se javno isto angažujem u LGBT sceni i to naravno je valjda jedan, kako da kažem, jedna mješavina koja nije tek tako svakodnevna, ali važna. Porodice, niti dom, niti jedne šifre. Pa se izgube. Kako vidim vrat? Ja ne mogu da znam tvoje ime. I to ti moje. Sutra počinjemo zajedno. Izgradit ćemo jedan novi grad.
Well, I think it's very important in Europe that we make sure that everybody who loves film is also seen in film. That we make it way more inclusive. What kind of stories are being told? That we make cinemas accessible. That we take care of the fact that everybody in Europe who would like to watch films is not feeling that they're watching films that play in a different world in which we live. So I think what Uhvati film is doing by showing different stories made by filmmakers that have an eye for people with impairments and disabilities. I think it's very important that it happens, and it doesn't happen at all anywhere else in Europe. So I think it's a unique initiative that needs to be supported.
Before I started dancing, I saw my body was ugly. However, people who say that dance said it was beautiful. I believe that disability is both good and bad. Thank you for inviting me festival. My experience in Serbia has become a precious treasure for me. I was able to experience a lot of kindness of Serbian people. We hope to see you again when I come back to Novog Sada. Hvala.